This question regarding head versus heart is a common one, and the debate goes on in society. So when we talk about heart, let's try and understand what does heart mean. There is the mind and the intellect. The mind harbors emotions, sentiments, and feelings. The intellect has the ability to analyze and think logically and rationally. Some people, the mind dominates. They are ruled by their emotions. For some people, the head, the logic dominates. They listen to cold and sheer logic. Now, the mind is the software. And where is the hardware? Intuitively, we feel it is all up in the head. But today, even in Stanford and Harvard, they are telling you that the heart also has intrinsic intelligence. So the Vedas are giving us the precise knowledge. They say the hardware is in the head, agreed, and to some extent in the heart, but the mind is in the heart. That is why in love and in hate, you will feel the pain in the heart. Now, what should we listen to? Was the question that was asked. The mind is not to be relied upon, which is the heart, unless it is purified. The scriptures tell us, use your head, your logic, your rational ability. So people many times, they forget the wrong decisions they made because of the heart, for which they suffered. They are not good statisticians. They entered into a friendship or a relationship motivated by the heart and then said, oh my God, how terrible it was. They enter into a business venture because the heart says so, but later on they regret. The Vedas tell us the heart or the mind is not to be relied upon until it has been fully purified. That is why you should use your logic and your rationality to see whether something is appropriate or not. Occasionally, the rationality doesn't work fast enough. And then you tap into your memory, your past experiences, and even though the head says that something is right, your inner self says, no, there's something wrong here. What is happening is that although you cannot logically reach the conclusion, your mind has accessed the past memory and intuitively you are feeling something wrong. In that case, you have to doubt the logic of your head. But in general, you should follow your rationality. Give that precedence over mere emotion.